Prada Marfa is a permanent sculptural art installation by artists Elmgreen and Dragset, located 1.4 miles northwest of Valentine, Texas, just off US Highway 90, and about 26 miles northwest of the city of Marfa. The installation, in the form of a freestanding building, specifically a Prada storefront, was inaugurated on October 1, 2005. The artists described the work as a pop architectural land art project. Realized with the assistance of American architects Ronald Rayl and Virginia Sanfratello, the construction cost $120,000. The original intent was that the building would not be repaired but would rather gradually degrade into its surroundings. This plan was revised after vandals graffitied the exterior and stole its contents the night the sculpture was completed. Designed to resemble a Prada store, the building is made of adobe bricks, plaster, paint, glass pane, aluminum frame, MDF, and carpet. The installation's door is non-functional. On the front of the structure there are two large windows displaying actual Prada wares, shoes and handbags, picked out and provided by Miuccia Prada from the Fall-Winter 2005 collection. Prada allowed Elmgreen and Dragset to use the Prada trademark for this work. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.